Welcome to Agile Scrum Mania, your one-stop destination to learn everything about Agile, Scrum, and modern project management. In this video, we'll explore the Agile methodology, what it means, how it works, and why it's transforming teams across the world in 2025. What is Agile methodology? Agile methodology is a modern, flexible approach to project management and software development. It focuses on people, collaboration, and adaptability, helping teams deliver high-quality results faster and with less stress. Instead of waiting months to release one big product, Agile teams deliver value in short cycles, known as iterations or sprints. Each sprint lasts about 2 to 4 weeks and ends with a working, testable product increment. The goal is to deliver continuously, collect customer feedback early, and adapt to change, not resist it. The Agile mindset. Agile is more than a framework, it's a mindset. It's about teamwork, transparency, and continuous improvement. Teams focus on working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change quickly. The foundation of Agile comes from the Agile Manifesto, which values individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a fixed plan. At Agile Scrum Mania, we often say, Agile is not what you do, it's how you think. The Scrum framework. One of the most popular frameworks under Agile is Scrum. Scrum provides structure through roles, events, and artifacts that help teams stay focused and productive. The key roles are: Product Owner, represents the customer's voice and manages the product backlog. Scrum Master, acts as a coach, facilitator, and problem solver for the team. Development Team, builds and delivers the product increment every sprint. Scrum uses short, focused meetings called Scrum ceremonies, including daily stand-ups, sprint planning, sprint reviews, and retrospectives, to keep teams aligned and improving continuously. Agile is not just an IT trend, it's a global movement. From India to the United States, and from Germany to France and Japan, Agile has become a standard approach for managing complex work. In India, companies like TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, and startups across Bengaluru, Pune, and Hyderabad are heavily adopting Agile and Scrum frameworks to enhance delivery speed and quality. At Agile Scrum Mania, our goal is to simplify these complex practices and make Agile learning easy, practical, and relatable to your daily work life. Agile works across industries: software, healthcare, education, and even manufacturing. Teams use Kanban boards, user stories, and sprint reviews to track progress and ensure transparency. Agile encourages constant feedback and collaboration. It's not about blaming individuals. It's about learning, improving, and delivering value to the customer every time. Organizations using Agile often report 30–50% faster delivery, higher customer satisfaction, and stronger team morale. Why Agile works? Agile works because it is built for change. Traditional models like waterfall struggle when requirements shift midway, but Agile embraces flexibility. It helps teams deliver faster, reduce rework, and maintain high visibility. Most importantly, Agile empowers teams to own their work, think creatively, and deliver continuous value. As we always emphasize on Agile Scrum Mania, agility is not about speed, it's about adaptability and learning faster than change. Final thoughts. Whether you're a Scrum Master, Product Owner, Agile Coach, or a beginner, Agile can transform how you work and lead. The key is to start small. Learn the principles, practice them, and adapt them to your team's culture. If you're passionate about learning Agile and Scrum in a simple, practical way, don't forget to subscribe to Agile Scrum Mania for more content on Agile basics, Scrum ceremonies, interview tips, real-world examples, and certification guidance. Let's make learning Agile easy, engaging, and fun, only on Agile Scrum Mania.